So I never knew it, but I was afflicted with general anxiety disorder. And years and years ago, I think back in 2015, maybe a little bit earlier, my doctors finally said, like, you have anxiety. And they started giving me medication for it. And I was cycling through medication after medication because it'd either make it worse or it didn't do anything at all, but usually made it worse. And then they finally gave me something that seemed to work. Then over the past several years, after being on more and more medications, I started going to a counselor. I started going to a psychologist who prescribed me Xanax. They prescribed me propranolol for my heart rate. My blood pressure was up. And a lot of it was due to, I think, anxiety and like depression, generalized depression, something or other. Anyway, so knowing this was affecting me, Dr. Lamb mentioned like this procedure that he has that can help anxiety and depression and other things. And I was like, all right, well, I'll give it a whirl. And they were like, you're going to feel different afterward. And I was like, all right, this is just probably to attempt to take more money from me. But as soon as he did it, which was a little bit painful, but afterward, I felt like it was wrong. Like something, I wasn't supposed to feel like at peace as I was afterward. Like I'd taken 2 or 3 Xanax and I got home and I was automatically just calm. And this is nothing I've ever had such a profound impact on just how I felt about life in general. And my husband, he was like, you seem different. He was like, what'd you do? And I was like, this is the thing he did. It's magical. And I'm actually making him do it in a couple of weeks because he cries sometimes for no reason, he says. And it's undescribable versus all these medications that I've been taking, the experience that this has had for me versus, again, anything else. So I'm telling my best friend, my mom, about it. Anyone who's suffered from this is the biggest difference I've felt in my life when it comes to things I don't even realize I'm not supposed to be feeling. I'm supposed to be ramped up. I'm supposed to be anxious. I'm supposed to at least be worried about something constantly, and then it just went away and it felt wrong, honestly. And it's just one of the most unbelievable things I've ever experienced. So if you are considering it or even doubting it a little, don't. Like, I've never seen people so happy as after they've got it done, and myself as well. So highly recommend it.